Hi, welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Applied tutorial series. My name is Javon Edwards, and in this video, we will be covering the standardized test tile and the academic history quadrant. First, select the standardized test section. In this section, you may report multiple ACT, AP, CLEP, IB, and SAT standardized test scores by clicking Add Test Score under the applicable exam. If you opt to not report your exam results, you may select I am not adding any standardized tests. While ACT and SAT standardized test scores will not be considered for admission purposes, we highly encourage you to report any results you have received along with the associated College Board or ACT ID number. For all standardized test options, you will be asked if you have already taken the exam. If you have already taken the exam, select yes and add the date the exam was taken. If you have not taken the exam, select no and the intended examination date. For ACT scores, you will be prompted to enter in your ACT ID number, and for SAT scores, you will be prompted to enter in your College Board ID number. For AP, CLEP, and IB test scores, you'll be prompted to select the exam subject type, date of exam or planned examination date, and exam results if you have already taken the exam. Once complete, you will have the option to save your exam results and add additional results for the same exam type by clicking Save and Add Another. If you have no additional exam results to report, you may click Save this test to go back to the standardized test page. International applicants may also report IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE exam results or planned examination dates. These standardized test options will be viewable to international applicants only. You may edit your entries by selecting the pencil icon, and you may remove entries by selecting the delete icon. Once you submit your Cal State Apply application, you cannot edit previously entered tests, but you can add new tests. Be sure to request that your official test results are sent to all CSU campuses you intend to apply to. Once you have completed the standardized test section, you may return to a different section in the academic history quadrant or proceed to the next quadrant on your application dashboard. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact our office with any further questions. We wish you the best of luck.